Hi everyone, welcome to our term 3 practicing video number 2 for the class B. Alright, today's practicing video, we're gonna have some more finger exercises from the technique book, and we'll have a look at the Chinese piece 沧海一声笑 together, and also 2 pieces from the performance book. That's the homework from last week and the week before. 2 new pieces on the piano book, so they are roughly 4 parts. Okay, let's start with our finger exercises. Now this week we passed some of the old ones and we get a new one which is called harp chords from the technique book, page 17. The harp chord is exercising the skipping fingers. So both left hand and right hand, we only use number 5, number 3, and number 1. So when you're lifting these 3 fingers up, the number 2 and 4, we don't really use them, so keep them relaxed. Okay, so they can be slightly lifted up. Avoid to lay them down on the keys. Okay, so lift them up a little bit, but keep them kind of relaxed. And you don't want them to straight up, looks very intense, okay, or stiff. So try to relax them, but lifting up a little bit, try to avoid touching the keys. Okay, now let's have a look at the harp chords together. It's in the technique book, page 17. So this is the one that we are doing. So harp chord, the left hand's going first. 5, 3, 1, 5, 3, 1, and then move on to the right hand. 1, 3, 5, 1, 3, 5. Each pattern repeat 2 times, and then left hand's going downwards, right hand's going downwards. And then this is not the end. We're gonna do the same patterns. Move up on the Y key. So you start from C position, then move to D position, then move to E position, F position, G position, A position, B position, and then back to C position. Okay, let's have a look at this together. Okay, so let's have a look at the keys a bit more. Okay, harp chord. Let's do our left hands first, nice and slow. Okay, now 3 actions: up, left finger up, down, press the key down, relax, give a little bit of roll. Okay, keep the fingers down and then roll up your hands. Relax your whole hand. Okay, let's try this. Number 5, up, down, relax, 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 up, down, relax. Right hand, 1, up, down, relax, up, down, relax, up, down, relax, up, 1, relax, up, 3, relax, up, 5, relax. Left hands, up, 1, relax, up, 3, relax, up, 5, relax, up, 1, relax, up, 3, relax, up, 5, relax. Right hand up, 5, relax, up, 3, relax, up, 1, relax, up, 5, relax, up, 3, relax, up, 1, relax. Okay, D position, up, 1, relax, up, 3, relax, up, 1, relax, up, 5, relax, up, 3, relax, up, 1, relax. Left hand, right hand, sorry, up, 1, relax, up, 3, relax, up, 5, relax, up, 1, relax, up, 3, relax, up, 5, relax. Left hands up. 1, relax, up, 3, relax, up, 5, relax, up, 1, relax, up, 3, relax, up, 5, relax, right hand up, 5, relax, up, 3, relax, up, 1, relax, up, 5, relax, up, 3, relax, up, 1, relax. Okay, so I've done 2 positions as an example for you, and you just need to keep on the white keys, moving up to the white keys until you reach the next C. Okay, right, another one that is previously from the other week is the harmonic chord. Okay, let's quickly do this one. Each intervals we do 4 times, so get number 1 and 2 ready. Up, touch, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 4, 1, 4, 1, 4, 1, 5, 1, 5, 1, 5, 1, 5. Okay, now left hands, we do the same. 1 and 2, G and F. Ready? 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5. Okay, after these exercises, you can try the harmonic intervals on the book. So each interval go only once. Left hands. Okay, so that's all from the technique book this way. Now let's have a look at our Chinese piece, 沧海一声笑. Okay, most of the students can play this one really well. All we need to do is when we wiping the keys, make it more softer and smooth. Okay, you don't need to hold the key like really hard or press down too deep. Just very shallow on the surface. Okay, now let's try this together. 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, so this piece, when we rehearsal with another students, we're gonna do this piece twice. Okay, so I suggest when you practice at home, you also do 2 times, but have a little bit of break between the 2 times. You don't have to connect them. Okay, now this is our concert piece. Let's move to our performance book. old woman. Okay, now this one, everyone doing really well. I see a great progress on this one. Now we're just going to go through the piece 2 times with the piano accompaniment. So you're going to play with me, counting the beats. Make sure on the page 2, this line is counting the correctly. Okay, it has ties, have some repeating note. So make sure your eyes staring at the note play correctly. Okay, right, let's start. The speed is going to be 1 down, 2 down, 1 down, 1 down. Okay, that's how fast we go. Alright, 3, 2, 1, go. 1 down, 2 down, 1 down, 1 down, 2 down. Okay, right. I'm sorry, I think I made a little bit mistake around here. Just ignore my mistake in carry on with your counting. Okay, now should we do one more time? How did it go? Alright, if you need to work on any lines, you're welcome to press the pause. So you can pause the video and do some more individual practice. When you're ready, let's try the song one more time. 1 da 2 da tolo fa. Awesome. Alright, so that's the old woman, and we have another song called Rock With Me. Okay, for this one, the last part of each line is slightly harder with the rest and also the tie. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna try the last 2 bars first, and then we can try the whole piece. Okay, now the first one is the line 1 bar 3 bar 4. Okay, let's try those 2 bars together. Right hand starting from a G. Ready, go. 1 da 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 2 da. Okay, one more time. 1 da 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 2 da. Okay, I want you to pause the video and repeat 3 more times. if you finish, let's have a look at the next two bars. Line 2, bar 3, bar 4, starting from number 5, G. Ready? Go. One da, 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 two da. One more time. One da, 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 two da. Okay, now we're gonna have a look at bar 3. Line 3 in bar 3, bar 4. This is note starting from a number 3 E, and then the number 1 is a tie where you're holding it down. Left hand's number 5 drawing in. Okay, now let's start from bar 3 on the line 3. Number 3, ready, go. One da, 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 two da. Alright, one more time. Bar 3. One da, 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 two da. Okay, we did the 2 times together. Now it's your turn to repeat 3 more times. When you finish, we'll have a look at line 4, the last 2 bars. Again, starting from a 5. One da, 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 two da. Okay, did you see a time that I hold my number 1 down and didn't lift it up? Okay, now let's try those 2 bars one more time. Right hands go. One da, 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 two da. Okay, I want you to pause the video. Each 2 bars, each line, the last 2 bars, you need to practice at least 5 times. Okay, we did a couple lines, and then don't forget the last line 5 times, and then we have a look at this whole song. If you can, play with me. If you can't, you can do a little bit slow. One da, two da, tolu fa. One da, two da, one da, one da, one da, two da, one 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 da, two da, one da, two da, one da, one da, one da, two da, one da, Okay, I want you to practicing the whole song at least 5 times every day. Okay, make sure it's all connected and accurate. Now the last one, we'll have a look at the new pieces that from the piano book. First one, Indian drum on page 39. We learned this one in the class, but we'll just go through the whole piece one more time. Left hand, we're gonna do C and G from the beginning 8 times. 2 fingers go down at the same time. Okay, and then right hands take over. Now left hand, we do 8 times again on the second line, and then right hands take over. So first, I want you to pause the video and try to play the whole piece on your own, because it's super easy. And when you're ready, like to repeat 5 times, and then we can play together. Alright? So you can pause the video, do your own practice first. Okay, if you're ready, let's try this whole piece together. The speed will be 1 da, 1 da, 1 da, 1 da. Ready? Tolo, fa. 1 da, 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 4 da. Okay, so repeat 5 more times, and then we're gonna move on to the last one. Last one is called My Computer. My Computer has some wrist sign. We talk about those ones. This is called the whole wrist. When you see the whole wrist, you just need to resting your hands on the piano for 4 beats. In this bar, in this bar, this bar, left hand is resting. Okay, and then we have a 2 note intervals. Those 2 notes are played at the same time. Okay, the last bar is like the exercise book from exercise from our technique book. The hands play together. This is left hand and right hand played together. They're using the same notes, but remember to use different fingers. Okay, actually I want you to try 2 bars at a time. Repeat 5 times, find the notes, count the beat, and then play hands together. So you do your right hands 5 times, and then left hands repeat 5 times, and then put the hands together. Then you move to the next one. Right hands 5 times, left hands 5 times, together. Left hands and right hands 5 times each, and do the same. Okay, now pause the video and you can do your own learning. When you finish, we're going to try to play from the beginning to the end. Okay, or you can watch me play first and then you do your own learning. Alright, let's have a look at this one. Alright, I'm going to start from our right hand, nice and slow. So the speed will be 1 da, 1 da, 1 da, 1 da. 3, 2, 1, go. 1 da, 1 da, 1 da, 1 da. Hands together. Da, 1 da, 1 da, 2 da, 1 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 da, 2 da, 1 da, 1 da, 1 da, 1 da, 1 da, 1 da, 2 da, 1 da, 1 da, 1 da, 1 da, 1 da, 1 da, rest. Okay. This is the end of our practicing video number 2. I hope you are trying really hard to lift your fingers and use all the curved fingers to touch the key. Remember the new pieces? We do 2 bars at a time, right hands 5 times, left hands 5 times, and then put them together. Very slow when you start it. Remember to count and check your finger and your wrist all the times. Okay, that's all for today. I'll see you next time. Bye.